Hello again, everybody. We have another job order, and this is a manufacturing and manufacturing of shoes and bags. And we need 5 people for this. The job location for this will be in Yoshikawa in Saitama. So we need 5 people for this job, and the working hours starts from 9 o'clock to 1800, and the salary will be from 200,000 yen to 250,000 yen, and there will be bonus also for this job. So again, the job description for this will be shoes and bag manufacturing and factory also. So the schedule for interview for this will be tomorrow, February 26 at our main office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So if you are willing to apply for this job, so this is for interview tomorrow. So sa mga kababayan ko po na nandito sa Japan at naghahanap po ng trabaho, ito po is isang shoes and bag factory. It's a manufacturing company. So kailangan po namin ng 5 tao dito sa job na to, at nakaschedule po ito for interview bukas. So sa mga gusto po mag-apply, comment lang po sa baba, or pwede rin po kayo tumawag sa office number namin. Kung malayo po kayo, meron din po kaming online interview. So tawag lang po sa number namin at 036-206-8058. Thank you.